Shiroli Kurd is a small village located in the Junnar Taluka of Pune district in Maharashtra, India. It is situated in the vicinity of the Ozar Ganpati Devasthan, a famous temple dedicated to Lord Ganesha. The Shiroli pattern is a method of sugarcane cultivation that has resulted in record-breaking yields of 100 tons per acre. This innovative technique, developed by progressive farmer Subhash Sitaram Murray, is based on the principle of collective farming, where small farmers pool their resources and expertise to create a large-scale, highly efficient operation.
Our vision is to bring farmers together, provide them with guidance from experts, and facilitate the adoption of best agricultural practices to maximize yield. Through concerted efforts, we aim to show farmers how to achieve high productivity within their fields by following scientific methods and utilizing appropriate techniques.
The farmers of this village came together and formed a small group named Shri Ram Krushi Vidya Mandal. They decided to increase the income of the farmers by implementing various government schemes. The average sugarcane production in Maharashtra was only 30 tons per acre, but the Shiroli pattern had a target of 100 tons per acre. Training camps were organized for young farmers, guidance was taken from agricultural scientists, and the Shiroli pattern of 100 tons of sugarcane production per acre started spreading rapidly across the country.
Our program of providing guidance in the morning and focusing on fieldwork in the afternoon continued throughout the year. We aim to help farmers cultivate 5 acres of land and achieve a yield of 100 tons of sugarcane per acre. In the first 4 to 5 months, we saw excellent results, and it became evident to all farmers that they could easily attain the target of 100 tons per acre.
The key to the group's success in achieving the 100-ton yield goal lies in understanding the crucial differences between soil types, varieties, and the entire seed-to-harvest process. This includes meticulous soil testing, seed collection, sowing, fertilization, and the appropriate use of pesticides, emphasizing reduced reliance on chemical fertilizers to maintain soil health. This comprehensive approach has enabled the group to unlock the full potential of the land and achieve remarkable results.
When we initiated the 100-ton sugarcane development project, many farmers enthusiastically participated. Because of their proactive involvement, everyone made efforts to maximize production from their fields.
The group's success attracted invitations from numerous sugarcane factories seeking their guidance. In the Hardal district of Madhya Pradesh, the group successfully demonstrated the potential of the Shiroli pattern by cultivating sugarcane on 1,000 acres of land of Nikhil sugarcane industry and increasing the yield from 30 tons to 100 tons per acre. Subhash More and his team were now drawn to a new challenge: organic sugarcane farming. Converting farmers who had been practicing chemical farming for years to organic farming was not an easy task. However, seeing the harmful effects of chemicals on the soil and the increasing incidence of cancer among farmers, there was no other option but to switch to organic farming.
Many parts of our country, including various regions within the state, have undergone excessive use of water for various purposes, resulting in depletion of land and water resources. Some areas have been overexploited due to excessive water use, leading to the degradation of the land. Since land degradation is becoming highly prevalent due to resource exploitation, it is imperative to switch to organic farming.
Often, farmers had a few questions on their minds. Wouldn't organic farming lead to a lower yield? Where would they find a market for their produce? Who would provide them with the necessary guidance? And most importantly, which company could guarantee 100% organic produce? Finding answers to these questions and instilling confidence, Warkem Biotech, a Mumbai-based company, embraced the vision of chemical-free farming under the Make in India initiative. Warkem Biotech's organic products have been inputs approved by Control Union, an internationally recognized certifying company.
We were involved in sugarcane cultivation, where initially sugarcane was grown using chemical methods and yielded 100 tons per acre. During that time, we had a meeting with Warkem Biotech, and they assured us that they have a 100% organic solution for sugarcane. We initially hesitated to believe that organic farming could yield 100 tons, but the company assured us that there would be no loss even if the yield is less than 90 tons, and they would compensate. This company operates in many countries and is among the top 150 companies working with this method. Such a big company can't afford to trap farmers, so we trusted them and started working.
Warkem Biotech's soil testing is simple, easy and informative, providing quality results in just 20 minutes. Even farmers with basic educational qualifications and school students can easily understand and perform it independently. The Seed Treatment Kit 1 kit can effectively treat 100 kilograms of seeds. Organic fertilizer, organic pesticides, a dose of 2 milliliters dissolves in 100 liters of water. A magical product gives life with just 2 milliliters. High Foliar Plus enhances the taste, quality and shelf life of the produce, catering to the preferences of Indian farmers across the nation. Subhash Moray and his collaborators experienced the enchanting magic of more than 50 organic inputs on their farm, and they gained instant confidence in complete organic farming.
Due to excessive use of chemical fertilizer, we were concerned about land degradation, which is why we have shifted to organic farming and are using Warkem Biotech's complete product range for production. Today, it has been 11 months since this cultivation started, and now I can see that 100% of the crop has yielded 100 tons per acre, showing that our decision to transition to organic farming was right. When I applied the basal dose at the beginning of the sugarcane cultivation, within 1 to 1.5 months, there was significant vegetative growth and vigorous development. But unfortunately, there was an outbreak of pests and diseases during the vegetative stage. It seems that such a situation had arisen where it became necessary to replant the sugarcane after the first one was harvested. At that time, a representative from Warkem Biotech visited our village and informed us that if we used their product, the nature of our sugarcane could be significantly improved. So the most important thing is the super millikill kit. After I first applied it, I did the drenching, which resulted in elimination of the white grubs. After that, I used Humicure, Foliar, PS-biazophospho, and other beneficial microbes which they used in that fertilizer. After that, the crop had such a strong grip that I couldn't believe my eyes, but when I saw the crops, it was excessively lush, with well-developed internodes and other features. I can confidently say that I can achieve a yield of 105 tons per acre on average, surpassing 100 tons. It seems that my crop is 18 months old now, and I have been using products from Warkem Biotech. The microbial content in the products has given me good results. The number of shoots, the distance between them, and the size of nodes have all improved significantly. The results look promising that I can achieve a yield of 100 tons of sugarcane. So in order to improve the quality of land, We plan to use products from Warkem Biotech in the next crop cycle because we have developed so much trust that we believe Warkem's products can help us achieve a yield of 100 tons of sugarcane. While working on this, we initially started using products from companies like Warkem for our agricultural practices. However, we still observe the extensive use of chemical products, particularly PGRs, which the retailers aggressively promote. Moreover, when products like high foliar are used multiple times according to the crop's growth stage, it often leads to higher yield, and I personally promote its usage as much as possible. Last year, my sugarcane yield reached up to 117 tons per acre. Sugarcane production using organic methods shows results of specific conditions such as its size, the difference between nodes, the number of nodes, and the height of the nodes in their periphery were observed. They are more abundant in the case of 2 to 3 nodes compared to chemical ones, meaning my sugarcane now weighs 10 to 15 tons more than the chemical ones.
The farmers in Shiroli, who are currently engaged in organic sugarcane cultivation, aim to maximize the potential of sustainable agriculture. Thanks to Warkem's products, they achieve excellent quality, yield and sugarcane.
I have been using Warkem products for the past 5 years. Initially, when I started using them, I introduced them to the villagers, and our group also started using them. Last year, I planted tomatoes without using any chemical fertilizers, and the yield increased. There was a reduction in expenses, and now I have planted a number of carrots and I have used all the products of Warkem. Even these chilies have been grown using Warkem's products. I have used coriander, cumin, and all the products, and the results have been so wonderful that if Warkem keeps following the Shiroli pattern, then Warkem's Shiroli pattern will be famous in Maharashtra and worldwide. I brought my produce to the market coriander, tomatoes, chilies, and customers were attracted as it was organically produced. They asked us which company's product we use, and we tell them that we have used Warkem's product and we have made everything organic. There is importance for organic produce in the market, and it is going to increase in the future, and it is going to be profitable. In Mauritius, all agricultural lands are used for sugarcane cultivation. The sugar produced there was supplied to the sugar market by the Western countries. However, due to the presence of chemically treated sugar, these Western countries informed us that they do not want such sugar. Warkem assured them that we can produce 100% organic sugar, and we can provide as much sugar as they need. Today, we observe Shiroli farmers who previously lacked confidence that sugarcane cultivation could reach 100 tons per acre and that a single company could facilitate it. Previously, they believed that our plot could yield between 90 to 100 tons, but now they are aiming for at least 105 to 110 tons per acre. Therefore, in the future, farmers' aspirations are apparent, prompting various companies to initiate diverse research activities and develop products accordingly. Warkem is currently engaged in providing farmers with necessary products for sugarcane cultivation. Warkem Biotech stands out as the sole company trusted by all farmers for sugarcane cultivation, offering a complete range of products. The trust that Warkem Biotech has earned from all the farmers is remarkable. In the agriculture business, new challenges continually emerge. In Subhash Moore's Shiroli pattern, focusing on collective farming along with his utilization of Warkem Biotech methodologies, Aiming for a remarkable target of 100% risk-free sugarcane production has gained attraction among farmers over the past few years. This confidence is evident in Shiroli as they directly witness its implementation.